Samsung announced the new Galaxy Buds 3 FE, its new budget headphones. The company has officially revealed the newest model in its Galaxy Buds series, designed, as they say, to provide premium features available at an affordable price point. These earbuds adopt the familiar blade or stick design seen in the Galaxy Buds 3, and they come with a stylish two-tone matte finish. When it comes to audio, they are equipped with a larger speaker than the previous FE buds, providing deeper bass and clearer treble. The active noise cancellation feature has been further enhanced and improved. They use crystal clear call technology for calls, employing a learning model to isolate the voice. Thanks to the placement of its 3 microphones, it can also facilitate making calls. We are going to experience improved voice pickup capability. The battery can provide up to 8.5 hours of playback with just one charge, adding up to a total of 30 hours with noise cancellation off. With it on, battery life is 6 hours and 24 hours total. Additionally, they include Galaxy AI integration. As per the manufacturer, you can utilize voice commands like "Hey Google" to access your calendar or other information via Gemini. Furthermore, it offers the interpreter function on your phone connected to your hearing aids, allowing it to translate what others are saying so you can hear it in your own language through the hearing aid. They have IP54 certification. They're designed to be dust and splash proof, which means they have very few cutouts. Of course, we won't see the iconic light found on the Pro models, and they can be submerged in water. However, they still appear to be a solid option for this segment. The Galaxy Buds 3 FE will become available starting September 5th at various Samsung distributors with a globally announced price of $149. Keep in mind, though, that prices here might differ from those in other regions. The price for Mexico hasn't been officially announced yet, but we should find out in the coming days. Meanwhile, share your thoughts on Samsung's offer of $149 for the Galaxy Buds 3 FE